Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today I will prepare a traditional yet super simple onion soup à la française. It seems that everybody wants to taste the onion soup when they come to France, when it's so easy to prepare. Anywhere onion is available, really, you know? So what do you think I show you now how to proceed? What you will need to make an onion soup for 4 guests is 1 ounce of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 pound of peeled and sliced onion, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 8 fluid ounces of white wine, and then you will need 20 fluid ounces of water, 5 ounces of shredded cheese for the melting, slices of stale bread that you will toast first. Add oil and butter to a saucepan and bring to a melt over medium-low heat. Add a chopped onion and brown. Add flour and mix. Add wine, season to taste with salt and pepper, mix and let it reduce for 5 minutes. Add water, cover and let it simmer for 20 minutes over low heat. Preheat oven grill. Toast bread slices in a toaster and display slices in 4 soup bowls. Pour onion mixture and cover with shredded cheese. Bake under the grill for 10 minutes. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, so please give us a thumb up and show your support. You may also want to comment and let me know what you think about this recipe. So let me know in the comments below. Also subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all our new videos. It helps us a lot. Thank you for your help. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt!